Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can switch your account in Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To switch your account in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and open up your Clash Royale game on your device. Wait until it is fully loaded. Once the game is done loading, you will be taken at the home page, which is the battle screen by default. Now once you are on this page, you will be able to add various accounts to your game. If you haven't already added the Supercell ID, then you will see the option when you tap on menu icon. If you see a Supercell ID button, this means that you are not connected to Supercell ID to your game. So the account that you are currently using is your Google Play Games account. Now if you already have a Supercell account, log in by tapping in the login button. Use your credentials and both your Google Play account for Clash Royale as well as Super ID will get mixed up. If you don't want that, just go ahead and open up your phone settings, then tap on apps. From the apps page, click on app management and search for Clash Royale. Tap on it and simply scroll all the way down and tap on storage. Clear the data as well as cache memory of Clash Royale. Now what you need to do is go back to the game and then tap on menu icon and click on Super ID to add your Super ID to the game. Log into your existing Supercell account or register to create a new one. Then go ahead and log into your Supercell game ID. After you do so, you will be able to use the Supercell ID account with your game. This is how you can switch accounts on Clash Royale quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon to never miss another update from us. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.